Welcome to this lesson on corrosion. Corrosion is the gradual destruction of materials, usually metals, by chemical or electrochemical reaction with their environment. Let's look at some common examples of corrosion that we see in everyday life. The most familiar type is rust, which is the corrosion of iron. Other examples include the green patina on copper, tarnishing of silver, and aluminum oxidation. Now, let's understand the basic mechanism of corrosion. Corrosion is primarily an electrochemical process that requires four key components: an anode, where metal atoms lose electrons and become ions; a cathode, where electrons are consumed; an electrolyte that allows ion movement; and an electronic pathway connecting the anode and cathode. Let's take a closer look at the rusting of iron as a specific example of corrosion. When iron is exposed to oxygen and water, it undergoes a series of reactions. At the anode, iron atoms lose electrons to become iron 2+ ions. At the cathode, oxygen and water consume these electrons to form hydroxide ions. These ions then combine to form iron hydroxide, which further oxidizes to form hydrated iron oxide, commonly known as rust. Several factors can affect the rate of corrosion. Higher oxygen concentration accelerates corrosion by providing more oxygen for the cathode reaction. Moisture provides the electrolyte needed for ion movement. Salt or pollutants increase the conductivity of the electrolyte, making ion transfer easier. Higher temperatures generally increase reaction rates, and acidic environments, low pH, typically accelerate corrosion. There are several methods to prevent or slow down corrosion. Barrier protection involves applying coatings like paint, plastic, or grease to isolate the metal from the corrosive environment. Galvanizing is coating iron or steel with zinc, which acts as a sacrificial metal. Cathodic protection uses sacrificial anodes or impressed current to protect the metal structure. Corrosion inhibitors are chemicals that slow down corrosion when added to a liquid or gas. And finally, using corrosion-resistant alloys like stainless steel can significantly reduce corrosion. The economic impact of corrosion is significant. It costs the global economy billions of dollars annually in infrastructure maintenance, replacement, and prevention. To summarize, corrosion is a natural electrochemical process where metals deteriorate through reaction with their environment. Understanding the mechanism of corrosion and implementing appropriate prevention methods can significantly extend the life of metal structures and equipment. Thank you for watching this video on corrosion. Remember that proper maintenance and corrosion prevention can save significant costs and extend the life of metal structures and equipment.